Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. So today guys, I'm cooking some brown stewed chicken with cabbage. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so just stay tuned, catch it pre and watch how I go on. So here I have my chicken. Here I have my chicken seasoned down guys properly from yesterday. Well marinate down properly, you see me I say? Yeah man, so have it in the pot, bunja down, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so gonna get the cabbage going guys, and my garden seasoning. Yeah man, you don't know. I have some onion, some scallion, and some carrots. So while the chicken in the pot simmer down guys, I'm not gonna add any water to it. Just low flame and let it bunja down properly, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so the chicken is gonna cook, and then I'm gonna add all these garden seasoning and vegetables to the chicken. All right, some pepper, okay guys, so here I have my cabbage. So I'm gonna clean up the cabbage properly, you know what I mean? Yeah man, get rid of all these leaves. Okay guys, so here I have my cabbage. Make sure I wash it properly, you know what I mean? All right. Okay guys, so chicken bunja down properly. Smells so good guys. Add all my vegetables and garden seasoning and give it a stir. So remember guys, I'm cooking brown stew chicken with cabbage. All right, so don't need to add any ketchup guys. So I'm gonna cover it and let it steam for about 3 minutes, and then I add the cabbage. All right, yeah man, so stay tuned guys, catch pre and watch what I go on. Here I have my cabbage ready guys, so in 3 minutes, I'm gonna add the cabbage to the chicken. All right, so I'm just letting the chicken steam with the seasoning, the garden seasoning, and the vegetables, and then I add my cabbage. All right, so don't forget guys, just keep supporting the channel, like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel. All right, that is it. Okay guys, so it's about time to add the cabbage guys. So I'm gonna give this a little stir, and then I add my cabbage. All right, as you can see guys, ginger down properly and simmer down with low flame. Don't forget guys, low flame. Chicken almost cooked, and I don't have to add any water to it. All right, yeah man, that is it. And remember guys, the cabbage will spring water. All right, yeah, I'm adding my cabbage guys. So I'm just let the cabbage sit on top of the chicken, and then I'm gonna cover it for another 3 minutes, and then I give it a proper stir everything in together. That is it guys, stay tuned, catch it free, and watch how I go. And remember, I'm cooking brown stewed chicken with cabbage. All right, that is it. Okay guys, so here I have my white rice, some jasmine white rice, yeah, wash. So I'm gonna get the rice going guys. Go. So I'm gonna add some salt, give it a little stir. Right, I'm gonna add a quarter stick of butter, like about an ounce of butter, and allow it to steam. All right, so in the meantime, I'm gonna check on my cabbage, down to chicken and cabbage, and I'm gonna give it a stir. All right guys, so I have to mix this in properly guys, let everything combine together. Oh, it smells so delicious guys. Yeah man, that is it. So you have to slowly mix it in properly, you know what I mean? Let everything come together. Can't wait to dig in some of this guys. Give you a close look guys. Yeah. That is it guys, so I'm just gonna cover it and let it finish steam. All right, yeah man, that is it. So brown stew chicken, cabbage, and white rice. All right, that is it. Stay tuned guys, catch it free and watch what I go on. And don't forget, just keep supporting the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Comment to the channel. All right, Flex Jamaican Cuisine, that is it. Okay guys, so check in my brown stew chicken and cabbage. Yeah man, it's going really nice guys. Looks so delicious. Yeah man, it's coming along guys. See everything combined together now guys. So I'm just gonna cover it. It's almost ready guys. You don't know, cabbage don't take long to steam, you know what I mean? So next 5 minutes it should be ready. All right, so here I have my white rice steaming down properly as well. So just stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what I go on, and don't forget, just keep supporting my channel guys. Really appreciate you all. Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Just continue to like, share and subscribe. Comment to my YouTube channel. All right, one love, much respect. All right guys, here you have it, my brown stewed chicken and cabbage. So delicious guys, trust me. Yeah man, that is it. Over here I have my white rice guys, nice and shelly. Yeah man, so just stay tuned to my YouTube channel guys, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Continue to support my channel guys. Just like, share, subscribe and drop a comment to the channel. All right, yeah man, that is it man. Catch you pray and watch how I go on. Boom. Okay guys, here you have it, my brown stewed chicken and cabbage with white rice. All right, so I'm about to eat, and the way to go guys, ice cold Sprite, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so giving thanks to the Most High himself, you know. That is it man. So delicious guys, so delicious. Yeah man, yummy. Delicious. Yeah man. Yeah man, this tastes really good guys, trust me. Wish you could try some. Yeah man, for real. Way to go, Sprite. Yeah man. Stay tuned to the channel guys. A lot of meals is coming up. Yeah man, stay tuned, you don't know. Really appreciate you all guys. You're the one I'm doing this for. Yeah man, all of my fans, all of my supporters, my subscribers, all who not yet subscribe to the channel, just go ahead and subscribe. It means a lot, you know what I say? Yeah man, so one love, much respect. Keep supporting the channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe, comment to the channel. All right, yeah man, that is it man. Chicken is so tender guys, it just fall off the bone, you know what I say? Yeah man. It's another delicious meal guys. Yeah man, for real. Stay tuned, guys. Catch a pray and watch what I go on. One love, much respect. I really appreciate you all. You guys mean a lot to me, alright? One love.